Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how to fix this no command problem in your Motorola smartphone. So if you're having this problem and this robot is showing dead and this type of error is showing, you can see this yellow mark and here it is showing no command, screen is not working, button is not working, so you have to not to panic this. So it is very simple to fix this problem, so watch till end. So first you have to just simply long press this power button for at least 10 seconds. Let's do it. So I'm just pressing it hard. So if it is not done, you can press this volume up or down button. So now it is restarting the device, you can check, and problem will be fixing, you can see. If it is not working, you can press this volume up with power button or down with power button. So now friends, you can see it is done right now and your problem will be solved, you can see. Thanks for watching.